Strategic Insight for Gilead Sciences, Incorporated. Leveraging innovation and agility for sustained competitive advantage. Hello everyone. Welcome to my presentation. I will discuss about Gilead Sciences, Incorporated. Gilead Sciences Incorporated strategically operates more as a worldwide manufacturer and distributor of biopharmaceuticals and has been especially adept at catering to the challenges of the merchandise. Gilead has continued to sustain its competitiveness and respond to urgent global health needs by relying on advanced research and development, proper acquisitions, and the integration of high technologies. As I have stated in this presentation, I will discuss one of the most essential lessons on Gilead Sciences Incorporated throughout its strategy. This presentation will help stakeholders and classmates as well. The core and foundation of Gilead's success can be attributed to its keen interest in preserving and evolving. Innovation is precious in the biopharmaceutical industry, where change is brought about by continuous technological displacement and changing patient demands. This has been evident through its creation of a new market through the discovery of estimatable and revolutionary therapies in diseases such as HIV, hepatitis B and C, and more recently COVID-19, shows how innovation was a major driving force of growth and competitiveness. At Gilead, therefore, innovation is not limited to the discovery of new drugs, but more so to the ability to predict future epidemics and diseases to combat. This approach is evident through the swift temporary emergency use authorization and development of remdesivir to combat COVID-19, which reflects Gilead's preparedness in dealing with diseases worldwide. Both aspects mirrored by biopharmaceutical innovators who can quickly respond to changing market conditions are concepts not limited by industry boundaries. Another principal element of the company's plan is its practical and active management of acquisitions and partnerships. The primary significance of the Kite Pharma acquisition can be traced to three areas: expansion of the therapeutic portfolio into oncology, which allows Gilead to diversify its revenue streams and improve its market standing; commitment to long-term links with universities and other biotechnical companies also strengthens Gilead's innovation pipeline by providing a framework for knowledge sharing and accelerating the discovery and delivery of next-generation treatments. The lesson here is clear. Strategic acquisition and partnership present significant benefits, contributing to what is inside by complementing internal competencies, acquiring new technologies, and speeding up the delivery of new therapies to the market. They focus on innovation by sharing knowledge, strengthening Gilead's competitive position, and inviting more input from other partners. Thus, by incorporating external consultancy and support, Gilead places itself into the field of a biopharmaceutical leader so that it is ready to address the significant concerns of healthcare and seize the effectiveness and opportunities of the new market environment. As the business landscape gets more and more characterized by digitization, Gilead has been culturally incorporating enhanced technologies for its operations that can increase efficiency. Robotics in manufacturing systems has led Gilead to gain higher efficiency, lower cost, and higher quality products. Furthermore, it has demonstrated that data analytics has enabled Gilead to make new decisions, design a more efficient supply chain, and enhance clinical trials. The lesson for classmates highlights two essential points. Firstly, using state-of-the-art technologies is crucial for increasing productivity and profitability in the pharmaceutical industry. Second, the actualization of data enables the realization of policies that encourage innovation and improvement of patient care, since the communication of research and development and subsequent adoption of critical medical treatments is accelerated. Adopting the use of technology not only serves to optimize workflow, but also helps to ensure that such companies stand in an attractive position, especially in this era of the first-moving pharma industry, and speedy drug development is critical to the survival of a pharma firm and the health of patients. Hence, the overall adoption of state-of-the-art technologies and data analysis capability is vital for achieving the status of an industry leader and addressing the escalating healthcare flows in the global scenario. The biopharmaceutical business is flexible due to its dynamic activity. This makes companies, governments, and their agencies adapt to change in regulations, shifts in the market, and the emergence of diseases and ailments. Therefore, the flexibility to quickly adapt to change is another factor that saved Gilead and can be considered one of the critical factors that enable the company to keep its competitive advantage in the long run, as an example of the COVID-19 pandemic responses demonstrated. Thus, Gilead addresses strategic development through continuously improved and controlled decision-making processes, increased focus on scalable production, and people's organizational culture, making the constant search for new opportunities and risk minimization possible. Lessons for classmates. One has to learn that agility is not about reacting to something and must go beyond immediate response. Businesses that can adapt or maneuver themselves with change are prepared to capitalize on changes and ensure long-term stability, especially under volatile circumstances in the business environment. Hence, building an organizational culture that embraces flexibility and proactivity will enable organizations to prepare for change, whether in customers' preferences, policies, or technologies. It not only increases the ability of organizations and companies to respond rapidly and effectively to continually changing market demands, but also creates opportunities for companies to shape markets with new products and services before other market players. Hence, agility as a strategic principle allows business organizations to adapt to competitive environments, strengthen hard and soft strategies for competing, and exploit strategic business opportunities across fast-changing global markets. With efficient operation and sustainability, Gilead relies on many aspects where stakeholder management is fundamental, such as regulators, healthcare providers, patients, and investors. Open and active communication, in addition to ethics in business, enhances the much-needed confidence with market enterprise and other legal bodies. Thus, a stakeholder approach and effective partnership benefit the company and its capacity to create value for patients and stakeholders. The lesson for classmates is clear. Proactive management of stakeholders is crucial to businesses' growth, ensuring compliance with the set regulations and enhancing organizational ethical standards. Building better and more consistent relationships with the external environment upholds organizational performance and prepares businesses for emerging issues while creating new value. Thus, Gilead's systematically oriented strategic management of its stakeholders' engagement model is highly noteworthy for ensuring the compounded organizational relevance for sustainable success and positive societal contributions within the context of the pharmaceutical business. Therefore, Gilead Sciences Incorporated is a remarkable example of strategic, crucial efficacy as biopharmaceutical company focuses on innovation, acquisitions, technologies, and actor sensitivity in promptly responding to market conditions and engaging stakeholders. The best strategy derived from Gilead's analysis is precious lessons and recommendations for classmates and other stakeholders. This is especially true regarding the implication of constantly thinking ahead, having strategic firepower, and engaging various stakeholders by applying the principles outlined here. Companies can replicate and learn from Gilead's successful strategies by generating sustainable competitive advantage and providing solution-oriented approaches to global health of importance.